Sun MaxiLink 100. It's a VUL policy. What is VUL again? Insurance with investment. So, as you pay your insurance, a certain portion of that payment is being used to buy units in stocks, right? Okay, so that's the investment portion. And we're paying 13,000 here every year. So, it's the entire 12 months. So, it's just roughly 1,000 plus a month, right? So, you need to pay me 1,000 a month, okay? When you earn. When you start earning, you gotta pay me 1,000 just for this policy alone. And let me tell you, okay, here. So, you only pay for 10 years only. You pay for 10 years, right? And at the age of 60, when you retire, or I don't know, when you retire, maybe 50, at the age of 50, you have 6 million. But you only paid for 10 years, right? So 13,000 times 10 is about 130,000, right? In total. So you invested 130,000 for 10 years, and your money will grow to 2 million plus, or 6 million plus at the age of 50. At the age of 60, you wait another 10 years, it becomes 16 million. That's projected. Of course, it's not really what's gonna happen because this is only based on 8% to 10%. But I'll show you here because you're invested in index fund, right? So it could grow as much as 19% because that happened in 2014, as much as 30% because that happened in 2012. So these are the interests. These were the interests in the past. So those, you might earn that much. But here, the projected was only presented at 8 to 10%. So you could potentially have more than 6 million at the age of 50 or more than 16 million at the age of 60. Imagine that, baby. That's why you keep doing this. You need to earn now so that you can pay 1,000 a month. Okay? So this is for you as our gift to you. Okay? Now you understand?
Yes.
That's where we put our money. We don't buy you stuff like TV or anything else, but we pay your policy so that you will be very, very rich when you grow older. Let's see how much you will have at the age of, you're how old now? How old are you now? 16? Okay, let's see at the age of 30. Well, that's still not much, 200,000 at the age of 30 years old. Still not much. But if you want to add some more, you can. Okay, if you have more than 1,000 a month, you put in here so that this will grow more. At the age of 40 or at least 45, oh, almost 1 million. You see? So when you reach my age or daddy's age, 45, you'll have your 1 million. But of course, this is just one policy and you have a lot. How many policies you have? I know daddy is fixing our policies. I'll show you your policies.